Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do file request in Dropbox, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. So open Dropbox over Chrome and look into your account, and when you're done you'll have Select All. You'll see on the left side Bar File Request. Click on it and click on this button. Request File, so here type in your title of the file you want to request. For example, Design Report 2026. You can add a description. You can add a deadline to your request, but this is for future, and click on Waiting Time. Click on Create. You can also add a password here and click Create. Now you can share this link for your file request copied, and here add your email address of your request person you want to. Also, we will add your colleagues' emails and request them for this file. This is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.